Now it's time to remove milk for this cow. Removing milk is morning, afternoon, and evening. And mashallah, this cow is giving almost 7 to 8 kilograms per day. Ito yung baby, exactly 1 month today. Now she's, after removing milk, must be she will drink milk 3 times, morning, afternoon, and dinner or hapon. This is the way how to remove milk from cow, buffalo, and also goat. You see this baby, after removing milk, now she will drink. She will drink. She's a girl, batcha. You see, look this baby cow. She's kissing to her mother. Mashallah. Ayan. Sinasala yung milk kasi may mga balahibo na nahuhulog. Ayan. Mashallah, she's giving this milk for this cow almost 7 to 8 kilograms. 3 times removing milk. Ayan, and per kilo of cow is 250 rupees. And this is very tasty if you make by yogurt, and also you make for tea, for butter, for ghee, and etc. I will try inshallah how to remove milk from cow, buffalo. Ayan, mashallah. Now, Batcha will drink now milk. She have, I think 1 kilo. 1 kilo, 1 kilo, adda kilo. At pini, dut. Ayan, now she will drink now milk after removing milk. Now she will drink now. Ayan now, mashallah. Ufala, how she's drinking. I gotta be. You see how she's drinking milk, this baby. Now baby is drinking now milk from her mother. You see? You see? Mashallah. Hey, what's she's doing? You see, one nipple is drinking, and I you can't restaurant. Ay, Allah. Nagugulat ako. Ay, bakit? Why like that? Now another nipple. Ayan. After one nipple, again, next nipple, again, she's drinking milk. Ilan na kayang kilo yung nainom niyang gatas. Morning time she drink milk. Now time is 7 a.m. After again she will drink 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock she will drink again, 12 noon, and then afternoon, after Maghrib, around 7, before 6, before Maghrib or before Maghrib azan, she will drink for milk again. She's drinking very fast. Bacha, enough. Bacha bas. Ay. Mashallah. Mother and daughter is same color. But mother is very nice color. Combination of black and white. Ito yung pinapastol doon sa baba namin. Ayan. She's giving us also milk sometimes. And then I make yogurt. And this is very tasty to make yogurt. Very sweet. There are 4 nipples. So 2 nipples she have to drink and 2 nipples must be removed for milk. For use for tea. And someone also is getting milk from her, almost 4 kilogram. I think she's selling from neighbors, and also she's from Raulacot City because they make this one for tea. Ayan, tapos na siyang uminom ng gatas. Ito yung bahay nila, yung pintuan na yan. Pagkatapos uminom ng gatas, ayun, dinala na doon itatali. Ayan. Ayan. Ito lang yung bahay namin. Kaya tapos na akong mag-video, bababa na ako. Kasi baka gising na sila kay. Ayun doon na. Ayun, doon itatali. Tapos yung din, yung ina niya, diyan din itatali. Ayan. Now you're full. Eh? Ayan, busog na. Nakainom na siya ng gatas. Tingnan nyo itong baby ng baka. Yun yung ina. Ayan. Ito yung pinapastol doon sa baba namin. Kasi dyan lang yung bahay namin sa baba. Ayan, nanganak siya 2 weeks ago yata or more than 2 weeks. Ito yung anak. Hello, baby girl. Ito. Katatapos niya lang uminom ng gatas sa kanyang ina. Ayan oh. Hello, assalamualaikum.